Hi everyone. You know these things here. So transcripts, creating them can be a lengthy and dull and boring process. Luckily, there is a very easy way. So after you upload your video and you have it unlisted, for example, on YouTube, there at the end, you can find this little thing called transcript. Now click on the show transcript. It will appear here. Then just try to copy all of that. So like dragging and dropping all the way down. Click copy and then head on to the ChatGPT and write the following. So can you make YouTube timestamps or chapters based on the following transcript? Copy the whole transcript. Click. And here it is. Here is the whole timestamps, which you may like or you may not. Sometimes it will be directly as you wished. Sometimes you needed to do some tweaking. So for example, let's say I would only like to have timestamps based on the different apps that I made a tutorial in the previous video. So let's write that down. Okay, so no, only the timestamps where I show different apps because I showed 10 different apps. Click. And here it is, completely automated, all of 10 different apps with the timestamps. Fine, we can do, for example, additional tweaking. Okay, put minutes and seconds at the beginning, followed by the app description. And here you have it. Very quickly, great, all timestamps are in most cases completely accurate. Sometimes you just need to check them and that's it. Then you go to your YouTube studio, copy all of those, just paste them here like this, and you have all of your timestamps ready in a matter of minutes. Otherwise, you would have to take, perhaps 30 minutes or an hour, depending on the length of the video, and go through all of the where do you say something and where would you like to put the timestamp or the chapter for your video. So that's it. Pretty simple way or how you can add timestamps by using ChatGPT, all for YouTube. So hope you enjoyed this video and you find it valuable. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.